Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi pun shangi ngin pele mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei namar ga jingyo lat ban penrung lailan ye ki jingri ban bomdo ki bawanra nabar ga jela ban penrung hapo Meghalaya kabolong namar ga jing bomdon ki khrdap talasi hakeleng ki jaka kaput ban te lakam ye ga jingyo rung bian klem dadon ni ki jing tep la kita ki jingri ki bawanra nabar ki shngan na em ban bomdo hapo ga jela Meghalaya ki khot jong seng New Tribe Integrated Territorial Organization ha ki jingilam jong ba don bok dekhar ubri presiden ki lelit ban ye kendu yo menteri sarkar ubapai ekatanan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEC daga barak sendan daga dorkas ban persengau hakmar unia menteri halor ke jingdon kam bandon ki kherdop talasi ye ki kali ki bawanra ye ki jingri ban bamdo ha Meghalaya kaseng hito kelebu ye ki jing ajengmut bat ki jing dawa nau menteri sarkar ban bu kherdop talasi ye ki jingri ki bawanra anabar ha barok ki cikarung bakongsan ki bawan na kaput ha baro arab sau kenta nang ta kaseng kala dawa ru badai ban penlong ka jing kemi benia daga tenat veterinary ya kimrat shuaban penrung hapo ke jela bat begidei bandon ye kikot jing pensisha bakim don jingpang nang ta ban buru ya ke mobile inspection team ban talasi khamtam ha ke porman med namar ke jingdon jang gibriu ke bajushim kebu ban penrung tu ya ki jingri kum kimasi kisiar ha ke porman med bat kiwei ha ke jingkran jong bat don bok dekhar ula kedau baman kepor ki sipai BSF ki yo ban kem ye kimrat balakhayi tu sha Bangladesh Henry kajing bomdon karkom talasi ke babiang ha ki jaka rung kum ha bernihat bat kiwe ki jaka kasyam jenge baha bante lakam ha baku jong kerwo ba don bok khar bri presiden kaseng hito ulama hamru palada sarkar kamshim kya ha kapor ka bakaseng kalabu kaseng kan sashim hi da kawe pat gilanti ban pensngau ye kajing bomhon ka bakan thobro ban tokit dalade bat ban penpana pajba ya ki ai ki bakaseng kalam
kumba ini latih ni, bat lagi license mensa, gila ye kendo yo raju GHP raju atau bapor dari principal secretary dari veterinary gila dawa ban penlong legalize no abi ada batikan deka mar ban supply support Bangladesh dan ban khai masih support Bangladesh te mentaka sing gila wan bu ye kene ka dorkas ka ban bu no ye kini ban pengkloy no ban bu ye kini ki entry dan kita ki check it habi dai ye kini ki no ki mar ki ba dai ka balang ka masi ka siar kinu do wan nabar ki kan dai kan don ka checkpoint ka ban la ban detect arp so 24 into 7 dan arp so ganta hapo istayo ban hagani ka jingi yakran nakalian ju i lakong ba kai ka bangila dawa na do license na mensa la ya proses kot bat sian un pleno bat ya ka juba in sa panchai mi ka kamha bat skoi rung apa ban ha ka korwo ba balai ka senjam ba ka long ka hito ban kan mau yang ya sarkar bat ban te la kam ya kini ka jingwan ka bayu namar ba hadian bangi yo jing jor na ki nong khaisiat pat kunju na ki long kme long pa jong ki district ka ba khamya ba ka ne ka kam ar number na ne ka kam bean pan supply ginu ki mar support Bangladesh namar ni songkya bat ngindala survey ngindala ngam kham jali ni ka kam ngilap pa kani ka drop out dan ni ka jing pep school ki khana ka dei kala jor kani ka kam khai anamba kata ka dei ka jing sha namar khana untra show ban ni school namar ulah bang ban yo ek sa pat ban ye khai ka masi ban ni kata ka share ni kata ka no ko mar ka ban khai support Bangladesh pada hakawi kaliang ru bangi dang ima susu namar ba let's say hagani ka jingdon kan ka national security threat ning ba support Bangladesh himla ban ke namar ba ya mentah hi ka jingya dei ka Bangladesh Pakistan kila ban se ka la don ka jing jaslar naba kapdeng kan ka ISI pat kila ru ban thong yi ni jit ke bu jung yi ke ba pila i hi ka jingwan rung nong Bangladesh shani ban ra di kita kitiar di ba mensau ka dei ka clear ka bla pi ka dan jing mai ka state ka jungi namar ba la ya trade do masih yo bre kita kan jungi ka trade chatai do masih di ka Bangladesh ka trade yo bre bi kitiar di ban mensau tengi ngindala ini ngam jeliau ya kan kam ngila so dai pan penterikam na ikan ka giat wood pat ban check ikan bat ka government ka fiel hapo gini gibnai kumba ila kular yang hapo ka arbanai dan ni sibanai stek ni man se ni haban shem ni ngin dita ki bat in IT no pas ko wiru nakalian ko jong hi la ong ba kanu kanu hi kamar ka ba ki bu stock hang ne dan ki don gitu ki sem ki ba ta ki gaushala la ne ki sem ki ba don hang ne hapo state la de ki supply shaba kalong be illegal kam don kanu kanu ka belong legal te henrei ka ba ki ya treat pa hang ne ya kata ta ban ong legal ru kamlong clear kamlong china ka lor nakalian jong ki ong de ba ka de ka treat pat dai kali pertho pat habe dai bat kini ki hukum check kini kita ki breu jong ki kim long ki ba active na kim dan 24/7 henry ki check tang ha ko por bi ki la henry la ki pha ki ha ko por kan al bi je shi indon shu go balai te na kaleng ga seng ni sungkhya namar ka jing tri je kini ki mar ki mata shabari kabu pat ki jing ma ye ki jalla hi baro ko bai ka ba jila ban pensu ki ni ki foreigner lani kita ki Bangladesh illegal immigrant kila ban pun sawa ne tak ba shak hai tak daw ni long ki ba peknot bo husiar ni wan ban pun kamau bat pun kloi bat ni bo taka ultimatum dan ka deadline ni ko government la kam ne nin shem be kat kum kilenti jong ka bangin kem bangin bat min IT no chiki ai nomor hadin bang yo ye jinggu jor ngam kwa ban pun paw ye kata district ngam kwa ban pun paw ye kata kerteng jong kita ki kami pa Henry lada kim ai maki kata ka signal la kim batai maki ngin tips no amar ya ka sarvi ki le ki long ki ya thu ini baka kawan kuno kata ka jing pan te kam dei su katren Henry la de sickness
Pikan with the influx.
bangak la keren meneng la ban biang dang shen ka hito ka yo kam laimot ke bde ki genuine bangladeshi pat ngila IT ro bat ngila da hajir ro hakmat jong ka BSF apa ka IB bat ngila la hiru bat hawa kadai ki jing shisha kumbang ong ye phi menengan ban biang na ba ka jat bindri jong tang ban yo pisa tang kat no kan ne barok hak ka jat bindri hundri don ki kat tu kat ni ki ba kamen tang kata kasan 1000 kitrit do marat bat nang tei bat kitrit do brew katu ka bubu ka jing ma haidor san spam ani san 1000 kat ba ka jing im ko jong bat abatai de ko kro
The HITU organizations, they regarding the bringing the livestock from outside the states. We are giving a very valid point and also suggestion that whenever we are bringing the livestock for consumptions in the state of Meghalaya, we don't have a proper health care center from the government of Meghalaya. But I told them, last 2 years we have received sanction from the government of India for the construction of the health check care center of the livestock. So that is the construction is going on. One is at Narang, Riboi district. One is in Nidanpur in the Garavil district. So that is under the construction, and we are also telling the department time and again to speed it up, because they have got complaint from not only from the HITU, so many organizations has given the similar complaint regarding the bringing the unhealthy livestock to the state of Meghalaya for the consumptions of the people of Meghalaya. So for that reasons, there are a very, very valid point and very good suggestion, which is given by HITU and previously with so many organizations in the past, to set up our own health check center to check the livestock, the health of the livestock.
So will you?
So that is the construction is in fully progress. One is in the Nanpur Garavil, one is in the Riboi district in Nara. So that is the full swing is going on, but maybe soon and maybe a few days we are going to be implementing either one of this, the project. Health Page Center will be inaugurated, will be implementing soon.
so another
Illegal smuggling, recently also we have received a call from the some people, which is the cattle have been held up. It was taken to the court, and the BSF has got them, they taken to the court, and over the police, and the DC, the chairman of the respective district. So they are doing checking from time, and every time they are doing the checking. And there's nothing that they are coming like whatever they are free, they are coming whatever they like, or going free whatever they like. That is not possible, because our BSF people are working they are also working. Police also working. Even the animal husbandry department also. Their department also is working for this issue. Suppose they have not caught by the BSF, then when the BSF is caught there, means there is a illegal smuggling of cattle. Otherwise, how the BSF will caught them? But they are doing their job. The BSF doing their job. The police they are doing their job. The department is doing their job.
Sir,
Given a very strict instruction from the beginning. Anybody, we cannot do any livestock smuggling, not only cattle. Any kind of livestock we should not be allowed to do for any kind of smuggling outside our country. Within our country, we have no problem because we call it's just not a smuggling, it's a trading. Trading is not a problem. Anybody can bring, but it has to be a very good condition, health condition of the livestock. That's all we know.
so
They are trading only. They are doing trading. Smuggling means they are taking through outside the country.
So you
Because the BSF caught them, the police caught them, so the DC of the respective district they are aware of this issue, so they are doing their job.